TikTok.
TikTok.
No, TikTok. No, something TikTok.
TikTok. Kina. Marvelous. It's Marvelous 622. Yeah, I think
622. Alright, chap, neck. Alright, welcome guys. You guys already know it's Thomas Adhab in the building. Today I have
Marvelous. Hi guys.
Guys, okay, today I have Marvelous guys. We will be tasting, actually we'll be doing a sushi review. So it's our first time trying it out, so we're gonna see our reactions. But luckily we have something to actually, you know, if it's sour or something and we don't like the taste, we can actually just, you know, eat that something. So let me just quickly get it. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sharp. I think it probably we know most of the things here.
No, I don't.
Yeah. So here we have
our chopsticks.
Chopsticks. What is it written? It's written something.
No, it's written.
What is it written? Okay. At least it has questions like keep away from children.
Yeah.
And then what is this?
This is our soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Okay, we have our soy sauce here. And then
we have our sushi. We have our wasabi. I don't know if you guys can see. We have our wasabi, we have our ginger, we have our salmon, topped with our spicy mayo. We have our sushi rolls here. I don't know what's inside. I think this is cucumber and crab, if I'm not mistaken.
okay, cucumber and crab.
Yeah, then we have our sushi seeds right here. We have our cucumbers inside. It's just it's raw sushi.
It's raw sushi, guys. So we'll be tasting the raw sushi.
Yes.
And then where does this sauce go?
No, we just have to dip
you dip inside.
sushi in here.
Okay, no, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, now we will be trying it out again. Since we don't have the chopsticks.
How? I don't even know how to use this thing.
Since we have the chopsticks, you'll be the one who's
I think
actually.
I have to break them.
Yeah, you break them.
But I don't know how to use this thing.
And then, if everything goes sour, you already know we have a backup here. Alright, cool.
Flush things down.
To flush things down.
So which one are we gonna start with here?
Okay, let's start with that one.
Which one is this?
What is
Okay,
it?
the salmon
The
topped
salmon.
with our spicy
Yeah, let's start with it.
mayo.
Since I don't have a chop, let me get a fork for myself, you know? Okay. So we have to try because imagine eating sushi without the sticks. Now it's something else. Okay, cool. Okay, you try first. Let's see.
open the.
Okay, let me open this for you. Why? I think it's sour or something. It's raw sushi.
I've never eaten it.
Raw sushi, okay.
Where?
Just hope it doesn't fall. Okay. Let me taste as well. Let me taste as well. How is it? Okay. Seems like it's not going the way I thought it would. Ooh, straight to the bean. I think I would have to wait a bit and see the reaction. Because wow guys, first taste straight to the bean. I think I should wait a bit. Let's come back. Let's come tell us how does it taste. Come tell us how does it taste. Come back. How does it taste? Oh, we're eating the backup already. Still the first thing, like already eating the backup. How does it taste? Sour, sweet.
What do they call it? That's canned. Tuna.
Tuna, yeah. Canned
Like
tuna.
Yeah, canned tuna.
Okay.
But it's not nice.
It's not nice. Let me try to cut it.
It's a break. Don't you have a knife? Just cut to the knife.
Yeah, I think we should have like even knife. Let's just cut it
But
out.
the mayo is not bad.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm just not used to the taste.
Cut it out. Let's see. Cut it out. Okay. Cool. Just took a smaller piece. Let's see if it's that bad. Okay. Let's see if it's that bad. Okay, let me just keep it in. Okay. It's not that bad. It is bad, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Yeah, it tastes like tuna.
Yeah.
The thing is, I didn't take the whole bunch. Maybe it's because you do the whole thing. I just
I
took a
think
small.
there's too much rice.
Too much rice.
For me, there's too much rice.
And then they wrapped it with tuna. That's
the salmon.
it's salmon. Yeah.
It tastes like yeah.
It's not that bad. But it is bad because if you take the whole thing, it is bad.
Yeah.
Okay, now we go on the second. What is this?
Which one?
On the white one. This one.
I think I'm gonna take a small bite. Let me fetch my chops.
Now we're going for this one. So we wanna see. We wanna see how does it taste like. Okay, we're going for the white one. This one. The one with the crepe inside, I think. Okay, simple. Cut it out because this thing is like it's wasting time now. I think we should like use this thing upside down.
This is a
There we go.
Nah, use my fingers.
Okay, use the fingers. Okay. They're taking it like with the fingers now. 9. Okay. But most of the part is rice. Eat the rice first, maybe it might taste better.
Hey, this one. I just want it.
Okay. Eat the rice first. How does it taste? Is it rice? Is it? It's rice, no? Okay.
Now, as for the soy sauce,
Let me also try the half you took. The soy sauce, I think it's the soy sauce which makes everything worse. It's like, What is this now?
Working seaweed. You see, I don't know, that black thing. I don't remember it. I forgot the name now.
Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. But it's actually better than the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should go along. We should go along now. We're tasting the last, I think it's 3, 4.
Now, my put wasabi on top of it.
You must put one.
Wasabi.
On top.
This one.
Okay.
On top of it.
Oh. See how it's being eaten, guys. Do it again.
But we were supposed to take the wasabi and put it into the soy sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Firstly, ne? Okay.
But it's fine.
It's fine.
Just eat it like this and see.
Let's see. Okay. Because now we're still tasting, isn't it? We're tasting now.
Yeah. I think this one I don't know. Is it cucumber? I think it's avo.
Okay.
Yes, this is avo because it's soft. I thought it was cucumber. It's avo.
Okay. Now we want to take.
Again.
Okay.
See if I'm gonna
We're
be
taking
able
it deep.
This thing is so salty. Yeah?
Okay.
It tastes the same.
Is it? Because I think most of the things they put on the rice, like there's a lot of rice.
There's a lot of rice.
With a different maybe wrapping or something.
It's just one and the same thing.
Yeah, it's more
everything
like
is just the same.
everything is the same. It's just more of rice, maybe wrapped with something. This is more of rice with avocado. Is it avocado inside?
Yeah, it's avocado inside.
Exactly. Then
So
wrapped with the
like
seed. Is wrapped with the seed. Is it?
I taste it with this person. Okay, what's the black thing? I don't know. Seaweed or
Seaweed. I think it's the seaweed also. Let me just take a taste. Okay, good. Okay.
I think I can give it 3 out of 10.
Okay. Already the scores are out. Yeah. So okay, now right now we just wanna hear a review out of 10. How much would you give it actually? Out of 10?
Which one?
Which one?
3.
Which one is it one?
This one.
This one, okay.
This one
Three.
3.
Okay.
This one 4.
Okay.
No, we're just eating rice here, man.
Most of that.
There's no enough filling inside the sushi. So
Exactly, it's just the rice. Okay. Is it Chinese rice? What kind of rice is this one
I
actually?
don't know.
Because
But it
it's
tastes like normal rice.
rice, yeah, it just tastes like normal rice, but like the shape is kind of
I
funny.
feel
Yeah.
they shaped it somehow. And then this one, I see.
0 on the first one, 4 on this one, and then which one? 3.
Yeah.
3 out of 10 on this one. So taste the pink thing. What's the pink thing?
Ginger.
Taste the ginger.
Yo, ginger.
Taste the ginger.
What? The ginger.
It's just ginger.
The ginger.
Ginger. No. Okay, that one is just ginger.
Ginger love.
Yeah, it's just ginger. And then this one is just an avocado.
What is it? What's that?
I mean, come on.
How does the wasabi taste?
Wow, it's more like it's a paint solution. Wow, how can? What is this? What's it? No.
It's not bad on top of the sushi.
Okay.
But I like and love.
Okay. Okay, then taste the last one. This one.
I think this one is just
It's just rice. Okay.
It's just rice and it's just put this.
Okay.
I think we must cook the rice.
Yeah, we have to cook the rice. Because just like that is. Let me taste this one. I just want to taste this one. Okay. Okay, it's clear that this thing goes on top of this. Mm-mm. No, out of 10, I would give this one 2. Taste it yourself.
No.
Out of 10, I'll give this one 2. And the ginger. How much?
Ginger is ginger.
Ginger is just ginger.
And it's raw.
And it's raw, so yeah. Guys, out of all the plate, look, like 90% of the plate is still left. So meaning, it's really not
raw sushi.
Raw sushi. It's yeah. Just go for it if you feel like it, but like it's not cutting it. It's not. So yeah, but I think it was nice. Some of the things are nice, but like the review on its own, total, like everything is don't go for it. It's bad, like it's bad. Like
I think next time we must try the fried one.
Next time we're gonna try the fried one. Maybe it might be different from this one. Or out of 10, maybe it might get an 8 or 7 or something. What do you think?
And we'll see.
We'll see. Maybe it might be worse. Maybe it might be better. We don't know.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think right now what I should do is go rinse my mouth, eat some more of this, and then yeah, wait for the stomach ache. That's it. If you're not following the page, remember doing yourself jealousy. Welcome to Thomas at Hub, man. Share, like the page, tell your friends to tell their friends to come through. We'll be doing some more food reviews. So next time we'll be trying the fried one. Make sure you tune.